Okay, so we have completed this. Now we will go to the next form. Who has to join? Devika, no? Okay, Devika, you are there. Okay. So now we will see differential equation, differential form of Newton second law. This is applied for, till now we have seen that the first law applied for mass is constant, but this is applicable when mass is variable. That means for rocket this will apply. Why? Because mass is changing for rocket. Okay, so if somebody asks you which law will apply for variable mass, then use a differential form. Okay, so here F is equal to delta P by delta T. Okay, but here we write this delta P as d pi by dt, d pi by dt. So here F will be d by dt of P. What is P? M into V. Now this is like a product formula. If you remember the differentiation, it's a product formula. You remember U into V. What it will be? U dV by dt plus V into du by dt. Remember basics, differentiation, guys.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So what it will become? M into dV by dt plus V into dm by dt. Correct? And what is this dm? Variable mass, changing with time. Slowly when the rocket goes, the mass decreases. Okay, and what it is causing? This is actually the cause. Write down cause of force when mass changes. That means this is actually the cause why the rocket is going up, because the mass is changing, the fuel is burning. When fuel is burning, it is producing exhaust gas downward direction. And since it is, if you know, when I was kid, okay, I'll tell you a funny this thing. What happened during my school days? Somebody told that you have a car. Okay, car has a exhaust pipe. Every bike has a exhaust pipe, no? Have you seen? इसमें धुआं निकलता है.
Yes, sir.
Somebody said if you block
Yes,
this,
sir.
your car will not move. So my teacher, one teacher was there. Don't do this. I was a little naughty. The teacher used to make me do murga. Always kneel down, murga punishment. So what I did, I got a banana and put this in this one exhaust. I blocked it. I put the banana inside. The car did not start. That time I didn't know physics. I was very small. But when I went to 10th standard, I came to know, okay, because there is exhaust, gas is coming out, the car is moving. Similarly, for a rocket, because the gas is coming down, the exhaust is going down, the rocket is moving. So this is the quantity which is actually responsible for the rocket to move up. If the mass never decreases, if the mass does not decrease, if the fuel is not burning, the rocket will not move up. Understood? Understood? And what is this quantity? What is this quantity? This quantity is responsible for the velocity to change. Cause for velocity to change. Rocket will slowly increase or not. Rocket will not move in a constant speed. It will increase the velocity. As the time goes, the rocket will pick up more speed. It will move faster because it has to cross the Earth's atmosphere. It has to. What is the minimum escape velocity? Have you studied escape velocity?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If anybody wants to, any object wants to leave Earth's atmosphere, if you want to reach space, then you have to go in a faster than this. Minimum you have to go in this speed. That means rocket has to
Minimum,
attain
yes,
this
sir.
speed. That means more and more fuel should burn faster, and then only it will be able to escape the Earth. You want to send the rocket very high in the sky, in the space. So you have to send in this speed. Can you see how faster it is? In 1 second, 11 kilometer. That means if you consider a distance from Airoli to Goregaon reaching in 2 seconds, can you imagine any transport which goes this fast? Never.
No, sir.
We can never reach. 2 second reaching Goregaon. Yes or no? Or maybe 5 second or 10 second reaching Virar. You can imagine how faster it is. Clear? So escape velocity. So
Yes,
this quantity is actually responsible for the rocket to, not rocket. I'm just giving an example rocket, but body to increase velocity. Understood? Understood?
Yes,
yes,
sir.
sir.
Write down. This is very important. They might ask you this one. Just you have to do this much and keep it. That's a differential form of the Newton's second law. Clear? Shall I go ahead? Shall we go ahead?
Yes, sir.
Okay. There is a body which has wheels, and there is two forces acting, F1 and F2, where F2 is greater than F1. Okay, the body mass is m. Okay, what is the acceleration? In this type of problem, you have to understand what is this condition, F2 minus F1. That means F2 is larger than F1. So that means the force, see, you have a N also, you have a mg also, but that is cancelling. Always N equal to mg. So that means these forces are cancelling. So forget about that. That means there is a force which is larger here. That means what is the net force? The body will move at a speed at the force this side. How much? F2 minus F1. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And you know F is equal to ma. A is equal to F by m. So here what is the F? Is F net. This is that F net. So your A will be F net divided by M, capital M, because capital M is the mass. What is F net? F2 minus F1 by M. This is the expression. Clear? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So do one problem. Find out the acceleration. Find out the acceleration.
So 1 by 5.
1/5.
Wait for others. Let others do. Laksh, Devika, have you got?
Yes, sir, God.
What is the answer?
Yes, sir.
What is the answer? लक्ष्य आंसर क्या है?
सर कर रहा हूँ अभी.
हैं? बोला कर लिया?
कर रहा हूँ लास्ट में.
कितना आया आंसर तुम्हारा सिद्धि और स्वरूप?
Sir,
So
1 by
1/5.
5.
Very good. Okay, see, the body is moving, applied to 10, total is 12 Newton. This is 10 Newton. So that means net the body will move in this direction at what? 2 Newton. Okay, so you have to write n equal to mg, which get cancelled out. So maximum, so what will be? So your a will be f2 minus f1 divided by m. F2 is how much? 10 Newton. Sorry, 12 Newton. So 12 minus 10 divided by 10. How much? 2 by 10. 1 by 5 meter per second. Okay. Always remember meter per second square, not second. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Acceleration
Acceleration.
meter per second square. See, physics without proper unit is waste. If I am an invigilator, if you do not write proper units, I will cut half of the marks. I cannot say 1 by 5 is what? Potato, tomato, nothing. It's a unit. It is not just a ratio. Ratio doesn't have any unit. But here it is a proper unit. It's acceleration. Without unit, it does not have any meaning. Yes or no? Without unit, it does not have any meaning. So you have to very
Yes, sir.
carefully write. Okay. Till now, it is very, very easy. We have seen that exactly perpendicular or horizontal, so it is easy. Now, we will go to a scenario where force applied is not exactly in a horizontal way. Okay, then what will happen? Here you have mass, okay, lying on a force is being applied in this direction. That means if there is an angle between this. Okay, so first always try to write down what are the forces. This is N, this is mg. Okay, you have to find what is the what acceleration. How will you find? So now this force will have two components. This side it will be what? F cos theta,
Cos theta.
and this side will be F
Sin
sin
theta.
theta. Yes or no? F sin theta. Now, if you see the total force mg is equal to N plus F sin theta. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Your N is no more equal to mg. Your N plus the component of F, the vertical component of F is equal to mg. Clear? Then N will be what? N will be mg minus F sin theta. Yes? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Now next what? Next what? That means this is the direction where this is the force in this direction. Yes or no? So now your F is no more ma. Your F cos theta is equal to ma. Before we had F, no, but here it is not F. It is what? F cos theta. Understood? Here your force is what? F cos theta. So F cos theta is equal to ma. So what is A? A is F cos theta by m, and your N is equal to mg minus F sin theta. Very, very important. Please note down. It will come in your exam. I will do a problem on this. Clear? Any doubts?
No, sir.
Pritam is not. Devika, clear?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we'll do one problem and then we will end the class. You have a ground. You have a mass. The mass is 5 kg. You are pulling at 20 Newton, making an angle of 37 degree. You are pulling this one. Which side? This side. By an angle. 10 Newton by an angle. How much? 50 straight, straight. 53 degree. Okay. You have to find what is the N and what and A. Clear? Shall we do this or you want to try?
Sir, we will try.
Okay. Do one thing. Take this as a homework. Take this as a homework. Same thing. Whatever we did. Okay. Component we have to put a component here also. It will have component. So both the vertical component of this one and this one will add up here. Okay.
Yes.
And you will have a horizontal component this side and this side. Then you have to see which is bigger. This one is bigger or this one is bigger. If this is bigger, then this minus this will be this direction. Okay. So try this. This is the homework. And we will see in the next class, Saturday class. Okay, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So you're free to ask me doubts. Okay, during the weekends, weekdays, I'm available. If at all I'm free, I will explain. Okay, anybody, it is for all of you. Okay,
Yes, sir.
ओके गाइस, चलो बेटा, बाय.
Bye,
sir.
sir.
Bye, sir.